Welcome to the exciting world of English grammar. Taught by Gaurav today, we're time travelers, venturing into the realm of future tenses. Verbs, those action words, have a special trick. They can transport us through time. We're already familiar with the present and the past, but the future holds endless possibilities. In this journey, we'll explore two fascinating tenses that paint vivid pictures of events yet to come. The future continuous and the future perfect. These tenses help us express actions that will be in progress or completed at a specific point in the future. Think of the future as a vast canvas, ready for our imagination to fill. The future continuous and future perfect are our brushes, allowing us to add detail and depth to our linguistic masterpieces. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to master the art of expressing the future with confidence and flair. Imagine a river constantly flowing, always in motion. That's the essence of the future continuous tense. It describes actions or events that will be happening over a period of time in the future. It's like peeking into a moment in the future and seeing an action unfolding right before your eyes. To construct this tense, we use a simple formula will plus be plus the present participle, ing form of the main verb. For example, Sunita will be studying English tomorrow at 10 a.m. here. Studying is our action and will be indicates that it will be in progress at a specific future time. The future continuous is perfect for expressing actions that have a duration, not just a single moment. It's like watching a movie scene unfold rather than seeing a snapshot. Let's dive into some examples of how the future continuous brings our future plans to life. Tanya will be cooking dinner when her guests arrive. Here, we picture her busy in the kitchen, the aroma of delicious food filling the air. Simran will be playing in the park this afternoon. We can almost hear their laughter and see them running through the playground. Khushbu will be traveling to Italy next month. We envision ourselves exploring ancient ruins, indulging in pasta, and soaking in the Italian sunshine. As you can see, the future continuous paints a dynamic picture, emphasizing the ongoing nature of the action in the future. It's like a window into a moment yet to come, revealing an action in full swing. Just like any other tense, the future continuous can also express negative statements and form questions. To create a negative sentence, we simply add not after will. For instance, Khushbu will not be cooking dinner when her guests arrive. Perhaps she's ordered takeout, or maybe someone else is preparing the meal. Tanya will not be playing in the park this afternoon. Maybe it's raining or they have other plans. Questions in the future continuous follow a straightforward structure. Will plus subject plus be plus present participle, ing plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, will Sunita be cooking dinner when her guests arrive? This inquires about her planned activity at a specific time. Will the children be playing in the park this afternoon? We're seeking information about their whereabouts in the future. Will you be traveling to Italy next month? This asks about your future travel plans. By mastering these simple structures, we gain fluency in expressing a wide range of future possibilities, both positive and negative, with clarity and precision. Section 5. Reaching the horizon, the future perfect tense. Now let's shift our focus to the future perfect tense, a powerful tool for expressing actions that will be completed before a specific point in the future. Imagine standing at a point in the future, looking back at an action that has already taken place. That's the essence of the future perfect. The structure is simple yet elegant. Will plus have plus the past participle of the main verb. For instance, by this time tomorrow, I will have finished my homework. Here, finish signifies the completed action and will have anchors it to a specific point in the future, by this time tomorrow. The future perfect is like a time traveler's journal entry, recording accomplishments and milestones from a future perspective. Section 6. Affirmative achievements. Future perfect in action. Here are some examples that showcase the future perfect tense in action. By next year, she will have graduated from college. We envision her donning a cap and gown, celebrating her academic achievement. They will have built their dream house by the time they retire. We picture them relaxing in their custom-designed home, enjoying the fruits of their labor. I will have visited 10 countries by the end of this year. We imagine ourselves collecting passport stamps, memories and souvenirs from our adventures. Notice how the future perfect emphasizes the completion of these actions before a specific point in the future. It's like looking back from the finish line, knowing that the journey has been successfully completed. Section 7. Doubts and inquiries, future perfect tense. The future perfect tense can also express negative statements and form questions, adding nuance and flexibility to our communication. To create a negative sentence, we simply insert not between will and have. For instance, by next year she will not have graduated from college. Perhaps she decided to take a different path or faced unforeseen challenges. Another example, they will not have built their dream house by the time they retire. Maybe their plans changed, or they encountered financial obstacles. Questions in the future perfect follow a clear structure. Will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, will she have graduated from college by next year? This inquires about the expected completion of her studies. Another example, will they have built their dream house by the time they retire? We're seeking information about their future living arrangements. And one more, will you have visited 10 countries by the end of this year? This asks about your travel goals and whether you anticipate achieving them. By mastering these negative and interrogative forms, we gain even greater control over expressing future possibilities and uncertainties. Section 8. A Tale of Two Futures, comparing continuous and perfect. Now that we've explored both the future continuous and future perfect tenses, let's compare their nuances and understand when to use each one. Think of them as two sides of the same coin, each offering a unique perspective on the future. The future continuous, like a flowing river, emphasizes the duration of an action that will be in progress at a specific point in the future. It's like a live stream of a future event. The future perfect, on the other hand, focuses on the completion of an action before a specific point in the future. It's like a snapshot of the past taken from a future vantage point. Choosing the right tense depends on the emphasis we want to convey. If we want to highlight the ongoing nature of an action, the future continuous is ideal. If we want to emphasize the completion of an action, the future perfect is the perfect choice. Section 9. Choosing the right tense, a practical guide. Here's a simple guide to help you choose the right future tense. Use the future continuous to talk about something that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, I will be eating dinner at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Use the future perfect to talk about something that will be finished before a specific time in the future. For example, I will have finished cooking dinner by 7 p.m. tomorrow. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these tenses, the more natural they will become. Section 10. Mastering the Future. A recap. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey into the future of English grammar. We've explored the nuances of the future continuous and future perfect tenses, equipping ourselves with the tools to express a wide range of future possibilities. Remember, the future continuous, like a flowing river, highlights actions in progress, while the future perfect, like a time traveler's journal, emphasizes completion. As you continue your English language adventure, embrace the power of these tenses. Use them to paint vivid pictures of your future plans, aspirations, and dreams. With practice and confidence, you'll master the art of expressing the future with clarity and flair.